What if losing money could save your life? A poor boy found a wallet full of money. The next day, it was gone. And that loss saved him from something very dangerous. In a small, quiet town, there lived a poor boy named Ali. Ali had no money, no toys, and sometimes no food. His clothes were old and torn. His shoes had holes, but Ali had a kind heart. He never stole. He never lied. Every day, he walked slowly on the dusty road, hoping for something good. Sometimes he looked at shops, but he never went inside. He only watched and dreamed. At night, he slept with an empty stomach but a hopeful heart. He always said softly, "One day, my life will change." People in the town did not notice him much. He was quiet, like a shadow passing by. But inside, his heart was full of hope. One day, while walking on the road, Ali saw something on the ground. It was a wallet, a big brown wallet. He picked it up slowly and opened it. Inside, there was so much money, more money than he had ever seen in his life. His hands started shaking. His eyes became wide. "Is this real?" he whispered. He looked around. No one was there. The road was empty. The world was silent. For the first time, he felt rich. His heart filled with both joy and fear. He did not know what to do, but the money pulled him closer. Ali held the wallet close to his chest. His heart was beating fast. He thought, "I can buy food. I can buy clothes. I can be happy." He smiled for the first time in many days. He ran home quickly and hid the wallet under his bed. That night, he could not sleep. He kept thinking about the money. Dreams of warm food and new clothes filled his mind. He felt like his life had changed. He felt lucky, very lucky. He imagined eating until he was full. He imagined wearing clean clothes. He imagined a better life. The next morning, Ali woke up with excitement. He quickly went to check the wallet. But it was gone. He looked again and again. He searched under the bed, around the room, everywhere. His hands started shaking. His heart dropped. "No, no, where is it?" he cried. Tears filled his eyes. The happiness of yesterday disappeared. Now, there was only pain. He checked every corner again. He could not believe it was gone. His small world broke again. Ali sat on the ground and cried quietly. He felt empty again. He said, "Why did this happen to me?" He thought life was unfair. That same day, people in the town started talking loudly. "There is a dangerous man in the town," someone said. "He is looking for his lost wallet," another person said. "They say he hurts people who take his money." Ali froze. His tears stopped. His body became cold. His breath became slow and heavy. His hands started trembling again. A deep fear entered his heart. Ali slowly stood up. His mind started thinking fast. That wallet was his. If I still had it. His heart started beating harder than before. Fear filled his chest. He imagined the dangerous man finding him. He imagined pain and darkness. Ali stepped back slowly, and then he understood something very deep. His fear slowly turned into realization. His tears stopped falling. A quiet truth entered his heart. Ali looked up at the sky. Tears were still in his eyes, but now they were different. He whispered, "Maybe losing it saved me." For the first time, he did not feel unlucky. He felt protected. He learned something important that day. Not everything we lose is bad. Sometimes, loss is a hidden blessing. His heart felt lighter than before. He was still poor, but now he was wiser. He walked forward slowly, but with peace inside. Moral of the story: everything happens for a reason. Sometimes what we lose is actually saving us.